Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel artepics. I am Payal. In today's drawing, I'm going to share with you a traditional woman painting with style of modern Madhubani. First, I draw the rough sketch using my pencil and then I'm going to color and finalize it. As you know, we are Indian, so we have skin tone little brownish type. So I already mixed this brown color with the skin color to create a perfect skin tone for Indian woman. If you already watched my previous videos and if you already follow me in my Instagram account, then you will know I never use any canvas paper for my Madhubani paintings or any kind of paintings. I always use 140 GSM art papers, black gel pen which is the waterproof and the very cheap color for coloring. I believe as a beginner these are the perfect tools to learn Madhubani painting. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. In Madhubani painting, you cannot leave your background blank. You have to either fill up with solid color, or you have to fill up with patterns, or you can fill up with patterns with solid colors. That is why in this painting I choose a solid background to contrast with my painting. I also create some pattern on trees, house, saris and different places to look it more traditional. This is the final outcome of my painting. If you enjoy my painting, then please give it a like, share it with your friends, and do comment below. Let me know what you think about my painting. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And please click on the bell icon and on the all notification button so that you can never miss any of my upcoming videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.